So the first question is, how much would the industry produce if the industry was perfectly competitive? Well, we know that in perfect competition, price equals marginal cost. So we go down the table, we see that initially, price is 80, marginal cost is 69.5. We know that a competitive industry would increase output when price is above marginal cost. It's going to keep on going, increasing output until we get price of 73 and marginal cost of 73. So in perfect competition, the output would equal 8. A monopoly, on the other hand, maximizes profit given this downward sloping demand. It maximizes profit by finding the last output where marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. So marginal revenue is greater, marginal revenue is greater, greater, danger, danger, danger. The monopoly maximizes profit by producing 5 units of output and charging a price of 76. Now the question is, what's the deadweight loss? A monopoly produces 5, a competitive industry produces 8, and the question is, how much deadweight loss do we suffer when output shrinks from 8 to 5? Let's look at the gain that we achieve when output goes from 5 to 8. And the gain is going to be the difference between price and marginal cost. When output goes from 5 to 6, the willingness to pay, or price, is 75. The marginal cost is only 73. That means the difference between what people are willing to pay for the item and the marginal cost of the item is 3. Social welfare increases by 3 when output goes from 5 to 6. Then we got 74 minus 72.5. That's 1.5. Social welfare increases by 1.5 when output goes from 6 to 7. And then 7 to 8, we get a net gain of 0. We add them up, 4.5. The increase in social welfare or social efficiency when output goes from 5 to 8 is 4.5. The deadweight loss of producing 5 instead of 8 is 4.5. The next question gives us a graph. First question is, how much output would a monopoly produce? Well, a monopoly finds where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. That's the intersection point K. So the monopoly output, Q mono, is the distance between the origin and point A, 0A. The competitive output, we'll call it QPC, that produces the output where marginal cost equals price. That's point G. So again, the competitive output goes all the way out to point J. So the competitive output is the distance OJ. Next question, what is the deadweight monopoly loss when we produce the monopoly output instead of the competitive output? That's given by the distance between the price people are willing to pay and the marginal cost of the next unit. We start shading the difference between price and marginal cost, and we'll trace out. It's sort of a triangle. It's the triangle FGK. FGK. Again, it's not a perfect triangle because it's got a curved edge to it. So it's a triangle with a curved side. The area of that sort of triangle is the deadweight loss of producing output OA instead of output OJ.